Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and healthy. For those of you who are new here, this is Veronica and do hit that red button and subscribe to my channel already. Today I am back with an interesting topic about learning the names of vegetables in Hindi. Vo ina chuan Hindi chongin khai chen khat ming kan zirdonani. I hope this information is useful for those of you who are just getting started to know the language. Let's get started. Number 1. Carrot is called gajar. Mizo chongpoin karon soifi anga chen khathi. Lady's finger borsai bechu bhindi antia. Ginger so thing chu adrak. Onion purun sen chu piyaz. Purunvar garlic chu lesun emo lasun titurni. Tomato chu tomater antia Hindi in tomato chu tomater. Cauliflower parbor chu full gobi. Cabbage patta gobi. Cucumber chu khira. Spring onions chu hara piyaz. Celery chu ajmoda. Eggplant bokbon chu bagan. Bitter gourd chankha chu karela. Pumpkin mai chu kaddu. Spinach hi palak. Tinan. Sweet potato hi shakarkand. Radish hi मूली. Capsicum hi shimla mirch anti. Potato chu aloo. Mushroom hi kumbhi. Mushroom. Lettuce chu salad patta. This is it for today. I'll be back with another episode very soon. Until then, do practice and keep brushing up your skills. Comment below if you want to know more and keep on watching. I totally forgot. Please do hit the like button and share and do subscribe to my channel. See you next time.